Hi, I'm Rowan Adams. I own Big Hill Events, which is a quite small, just me, boutique mountain bike events company. I refer to it as a hobby company because I do have a full-time employment. I don't run my company to make money. I run my company because I saw that the mountain biking market in Victoria had an opening for more professional and events that targeted particular markets. I then made an application and I ended up getting funding. That funding allowed us, in the lead up over a 4-month period, I worked with some ambassadors, female ambassadors in the sport, and we held some social ride days where we started to get girls comfortable with riding with other girls and going to different venues and learning their skill capabilities. And that all built, after the social days, built together to a fantastic day here at the Buxton mountain bike park, where we had about 80 women competing in what was a 3-hour mountain bike event.